Welcome to Webstar Press. World is changing. AI is causing many workers to lose their jobs, but at the same time, new opportunities are emerging. Even top companies are unable to retain resources. It's time to explore new opportunities. Top freelancers and experts are able to achieve so much, including financial freedom in their lives, because they know something that you don't. You may be an expert in your field and have many years of experience but still unsuccessful in freelancing career. Are you an expert in fields such as AI and machine learning, big data, cloud computing, blockchain, DevOps, business intelligence, software development, web development, quality assurance, UI UX design, UI UX testing, mobile development, app development, marketing, Internet of Things, fintech, robotic process automation, cybersecurity, or any such technology? If yes, this video is for you. As a freelancer, you can earn a lot of money from comfort of your home by using platforms that I am about to share with you. The reason most freelancers fail is because they do not explore enough. There are bigger and better expert networks that offer higher rewards for freelancing services. Experts earn from $200 per hour to $500 per hour easily in freelancing and work from home jobs. In this video, I am about to share these platforms that can upgrade your freelancing career. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay. MeasureMatch.com is an online platform that connects businesses with independent consultants for marketing, data, and analytics projects. Here you can see a project contract fee and duration upfront. If you have expertise in marketing, data, and analytics, sign up as a consultant on the platform and get paid for project based work. Clients can browse consultants based on their expertise and book consulting projects with them through the platform. You can set your own rate for your consulting services as an expert. MeasureMatch also offers its own project based challenges where consultants can submit proposals to clients for a chance to win the project. You can browse active challenges and participate by submitting your proposal for a chance to win the project and earn money. Hops is a platform that allows businesses to connect with freelancers and agencies to get their marketing and design projects done. If you have expertise in marketing, design, or other creative fields, you can sign up as a freelancer or agency on the platform to get paid for project based work. Clients can browse freelancers and agencies based on their expertise and book projects with them through this platform. You can set your own rate for your services as an expert. This site also offers its own project based challenges where freelancers and agencies can submit proposals to clients for a chance to win the project. You can browse active challenges and participate by submitting your proposal for a chance to win the project and earn money. This site hosts events such as hackathons and conferences where freelancers or agencies can participate and potentially win cash prizes. These events may be held in person or online. Elevated Insights. Elevated Insights is a marketing research firm that provides insights to help companies make informed business decisions. Elevated Insights often conducts market research studies to gather insights on various topics. You can sign up to participate in these studies, which may involve surveys, interviews, or focus groups. You can get paid for your time and feedback. Elevated Insights offers a referral program also that rewards individuals who refer others to participate in their market research studies. If you have expertise in marketing research, data analysis, or related fields, you can apply for a job at Elevated Insights. They often have job openings listed on their website, or you can reach out to them directly to inquire about potential job opportunities. Expert Planet. Find an international expert to solve any business problem. Expert Planet is a platform that connects businesses with freelance experts in various fields, including marketing, sales, technology, and finance. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can sign up as a freelancer on Expert Planet and offer your services to businesses in need of your skills. You can set your own hourly rate and work with clients on specific projects or ongoing work. This platform also offers a referral program that rewards individuals who refer other experts to the platform. GLG Insights. Become an expert. GLG Insights is a platform that connects businesses with industry experts and consultants to provide insights and advice on various topics. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can apply to become an expert on this platform. This platform will connect you with clients who need advice or insights on specific topics. As an expert, you can earn money by providing your insights and knowledge to clients. It has several expert networks that focus on specific industries or areas of expertise. You can join one of these networks and participate in surveys, interviews, or other research projects. You can get paid for your time and feedback on this network. Deep Bench. Deep Bench is a platform that connects businesses with industry experts and consultants to provide insights and advice on various topics. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can apply to become an expert on a Deep Bench platform. This platform will connect you with clients who need advice or insights on specific topics. As an expert, you can earn money by providing your insights and knowledge to clients. This platform offers consulting projects to their experts where you can get paid for your time and expertise. The consulting projects can vary in duration and topic, and you will be matched with clients based on your expertise and background. Become an expert. Using this website, you can offer consultations, participate in surveys and polls to provide insights and advice on various topics. You can get paid for your time and feedback. They send you emails containing polls and surveys. Remember, earning money on such platforms requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to providing high quality work. With the right skills and attitude, you can build a successful career as a freelancer and expert on these platforms. But not all platforms may work for you. You just need one good platform that works for you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.